everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1702 Kalmar Avenue in Pickering. That's right guys, we're in Pickering and we're in one of my favorite communities. We're in the community of Duffin Heights. So we've got a detached double car garage home. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Oh hey guys, we're just putting the final touches on, so this property is ready for you guys to view. How are you gonna do that? Well, my contact information is gonna be on the screen, so you're welcome to call me and we'll set it up. Until next time guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.